Hello and welcome to One Sweet World Images. I am Casey Vitakunis, owner and operator of One Sweet World. We are an internationally published company and the leading photographer for underwater in North Texas. Today I'm going to give you a preview of what we will be teaching you and showing you on our channel this season. If you're as excited for this season as we are, go ahead and hit the like button below. Be sure to subscribe so that you will get an email notification every Wednesday as soon as our videos come out. If you are loving these, drop an emoji in the comments and let me know that you're loving it. And now here's where you come in. I need your help. I need you guys to let me know in the comments, what would you like to see more from my channel this year? Would you like more behind the scenes? Would you like to have an underwater tutorial to learn how to do it? Would you like to know more about my equipment? What exactly would you like to see on this channel this season? Drop it in the comments and I will be sure to answer your questions. Your feedback is so important to One Sweet World Images. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.